This is how our 3D printed finger puppet is assembled.
Look, I can wear it.
Designed for small fingers, no paint needed. Every color is a separate piece. First, we remove all printing supports. We apply a small drop of cyanoacrylate glue. We attach the ears. Small details, big difference. We join the two body sections. This is the key structural moment. We glue the muzzle. The pieces fit with precision. We add the pupils. Fits. We place the eyes. Wow. We secure the eyebrows.
Perfect.
We attach the nose. Beautiful. We place the tongue.
Flawless.
We glue the hands. Elegant. And finally, the belly. Every color is a separate printed piece. No painting required. And that's how Bluey comes to life. Let's go. Ready to play? If you'd like to print it yourself, you can download the model on Cults 3D. It's also available on Creality Cloud. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications for more designs, and follow me to see the next characters. See you in the next project.